I'm warming up for leg day, and I'm gonna warm up on the treadmill here for a second. Let's go. Tell everybody, these are called back extensions or hyperextension, same thing. So we're gonna warm up with body weight. Hamstrings first, because I hate them, but they're important. Let's go. Taylor. Hamstrings done, all done. So now we're gonna work on reverse lunges. Bust that out, let's do it. Now we're hopping on the Smith machine. We're gonna do squats. We're gonna do them where our feet are super close together, like this. We'll get this bitch pad off here. Okay. Here we go. So, that's okay that there's weight on here because we've already warmed up. So, again, your feet are super close together. Not super close, but they're close together. Posture and form. Pull up and squeeze. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna shut up. This is my workout. Taylor. Okay, next, hack squats. I'm seeing if it's open. What you have to do here at the 24-hour fitness, like see if your machine workout on is open. Yeah. All right, hack squats. I'm gonna hack squats for the quads. So right now, hit these leg extensions for the quads burn out. And that's a wrap. That was hot. Guys, to go home or go to your gym and try that. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you see any results. I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much.